Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we'll be learning how to create subtasks in TODOIST. This feature will help you break down your tasks into manageable parts, thereby boosting your productivity. So let's get right into it. First off, you'll need to open up the TODOIST application and find the task where you want to add a subtask. Now, this is important because it's in these tasks that we're creating our subtasks. Think of them as the main categories and the subtasks as the smaller steps needed to complete them. Next up, we're going to click on the task, and a new panel will show up on the right side of the screen. At this point, you'll want to click on the Add Subtask button. The reason we do this is to open up a space where we can write and add our subtask. Now that we've done that, simply type in the name of your subtask. This might seem like a very basic step, but it's crucial to make sure that your subtasks are specific and clear. This will help you in the long run to complete your tasks more efficiently. Once you've typed in your subtask, hit the Enter button. This action will add the subtask under the main task. Let me explain why this matters. By hitting Enter, not only are you saving the subtask, but you're also organizing it under your main task. This ensures that you know exactly what steps need to be taken to complete your main task. Finally, I want you to notice that the subtask now appears indented under the main task. This is a visual representation of the hierarchy between tasks and subtasks. It helps you to see at a glance which tasks are the main tasks and which ones are the subtasks. And there you have it. You've successfully created a subtask in TODOIST. This is a fantastic way to keep your tasks organized and manageable. Whether you're managing a complex project or planning your day, TODOIST's subtask feature is a powerful tool to enhance your productivity. Thanks for watching, and remember that the key to productivity is staying organized. Until next time, happy organizing.